From thyroid and abdominal imaging to cardiac applications like TTE and TEE to emergency protocols like eFAST and OB/GYN, with lung modules coming soon, SonoVision supports a wide range of training needs in a single platform. SonoVision delivers a highly realistic scanning experience. The torso features a silicone skin with a lifelike texture. Students can move the probe freely across the torso, from the heart to the abdomen. As they move the probe, they see a continuous anatomical environment in real time. This allows learners to explore anatomy freely, just like scanning a real patient. Alongside the live scan, SonoVision displays a three-dimensional anatomical model that acts as a real-time spatial guide. As the probe moves, the system shows where the scan is taking place and the direction of the ultrasound beam. This helps learners connect probe movement with internal anatomy. Research supports this approach. A randomized controlled study published in PLOS One showed that combining three-dimensional anatomy with ultrasound training significantly improves scanning performance and anatomical understanding. SonoVision applies this concept directly within the scanning experience. With SonoVision, learners gain access to a wide range of pathologies, from common findings to rare conditions. Students can practice these cases repeatedly, ensuring exposure to scenarios they may not encounter during clinical training. Instructors can create focused training sets by selecting specific scenarios from the full library. This allows students to concentrate on the cases that matter most to their learning objectives. SonoVision includes the key controls found on real ultrasound systems. This includes time gain compensation, image optimization tools, and advanced imaging modes such as pulse wave, continuous wave, and color Doppler. Built-in measurement tools also allow learners to perform real diagnostic assessments. SonoVision is available in configurations designed to match your program. The all-in-one configuration includes the full range of content. Streamlined options are also available: Echo, POCUS, and OB/GYN. This allows you to choose the solution that best fits your curriculum. Many programs rely on ultrasound machines paired with phantoms. However, phantoms are often limited to specific cases and may require multiple models. SonoVision provides a single platform with access to a broad range of pathologies, helping expand training while simplifying the setup. With SonoVision, all content is included from day one. There are no add-ons, no subscriptions, and no recurring fees. You receive full access to your training content.